All right, to flow the portraits onto your pages, you need to first drag the folder from the server or wherever it is onto your desktop. Then you're going to open up the template. Since this is 9th grade, it's 52 to 55. Oh, it's not here because it's in the idea folder. Hold on. So you got idea folder. All right, so we're going to copy one of these guys just to make sure we have the size. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to bring it into a new document. You can't do this with more than one page. You have to have only one page to flow it. So then we go over here, change it to inches. Go one page, starts at page 2. Great. And then I'm just going to paste that little floating frame. That's so we have the size that we need. And going back here to freshman, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down. So for this template, we're going to go 5 across and 7 down. So I'll go to Data Merge. I'm going to click on Select Source. I'm going to click on my desktop folder. It should be the CSV file. Go Open. And you'll see here on Data Merge that everything is a text box except for this one that's a photo. You're just going to click and drag it into your text box. I'm sorry, your image box. You can preview it, make sure it's working, looks good. Then we're going to go over here to Create a Merge Document. And you want to choose Fill Frames Proportionally, which is the last option. And then go to Multiple Record or Records and choose Multiple Records. You can preview it to see how it looks. That's pretty full. So let's go to Multiple Record Layout. So from here we want first row, rows first, so it goes in alphabetical order from left to right. And we need to change the spacing. I've been going 0.125 inch on all of them. And then that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's about right. And then I changed this to, on the left column here, I changed that to 2 inches. But we have to unlock it. So make sure you unlock this, unlink it, and just make this its own thing. Okay, so that's 5, and that looks about right. 6. All right, so then we're going to page through it, make sure it looks good. Looks great. Okay, so then I go OK. That's going to tell me that there's no text overset. This is a good sign because that means there's nothing hidden that we don't know about that we can see. So everything worked out. So you go OK. And now I have all the pages for all of my 1 grade. So I'm going to copy them, copy, and I'm going to paste them into the original page. So I'll go here, I'll put them in here, and I'll do that for the next page. Okay. And then you'll do that for the next 2 pages, so it'll be 4 pages. All right. Then you can put your title here. The next thing we're going to do is do the text box. So we're going to go back to our original little box here with our starting point, and we're going to click on it, and I'm going to delete it because I don't need that anymore. But I'm going to make a text box. I'm going to make it small, and I'm going to do the first name, drag it over into the box, make sure I do a little space so there's a space between the first and the last, and then drag the last name in. Let's preview it. So this would be the first person, first and last name. See the space? Looking good. Same thing, go over to the box over here, choose multiple records, go preview, but this time instead of going back and forth this way, or from right to left, we're going to make a column. So we have to change multiple layout, record layout, and choose columns first. And we're going to make the spacing 0 because they can be close up to each other. And you're going to go OK. It's going to generate it. Once again, no overset, which is good, was generated. Means nothing's hidden. You're going to copy these. and paste them into your pages. And you can move these and group them how you see fit now. So now everything's editable and ready to go. So I have 5 people here, so I'm going to take the first 5 names and I'll move them up to each other. Alright, so this is it. Once you're done with that, you're going to save this to your pages and then you say it's done.